Hello, welcome to my channel. My name's Amanda and I love crafting and decor and makeovers. Today I am sharing the next room in my Dollhouse series of videos, the bedroom. So as you can see, everything in there I've made myself using craft supplies and things from around the house. So it's all really affordable and you have to be quite ingenious, which I'm really, enjoy doing. So I've got a little reading area, I've got my bed and bedside tables, I've got a unit of furniture with all sorts of things on. I've got a little mirror up on the wall, some wall art, a picture, and of course one of my little lamps from the pound shop, Click on Lights, with a diamante lampshade. It's amazing how easy you can create different lampshades. I've tried to do something different in each room. I've got the stairs going up and the stairs going down with some paper on it to look like stair carpet. You can see there into my bathroom. Just move the waste paper bin out of the way, and you can see I've got the little light switches on the wall as well, just for little details, and the skirting boards and the flowery paper. So this also extra feature I have here is that the bed lights up. I again just got a cheap pack of lights from the pound shop for £1. Made the headboard and put the lights in there, and then used 2 of the lights for a bedside table. So I was really pleased with how that worked out. This is the room before all the furniture goes in, and this is the headboard. So I made this out of cardboard, and then the material is actually a pillowcase that I used. Made panels with stuffing, put all the lights, made holes, put them all in there, and then the spare lights I put into, they're actually pen top holders with a button and some card, and then I've glued them onto these little poster board bedside tables that I've made. And then the bed I also just made out of cardboard, and then covered each piece of cardboard with my pillowcase and some felt that I had, and the bed covers actually a small flannel. So everything's just been, used from around the house, or as I say, made. So I'm really pleased with how nice it looks. Let's just get that in there. And then I've got the rug on the floor, as you can see at the front. That's actually I've made some cards using that technique. You make holes in the paper and then thread the threads through. I've also made a dressing gown using some of the leftover pillowcase material, and just cut a rough shape out and sewed it all together. And I've put a little hook on the back wall there and hung that up. This is my unit in the bedroom. I've glued everything on so it doesn't fall off. I've got a little fluffy creature that I made out of a pom-pom with some bits of felt and some googly eyes. A little basket there from a tea light, wrapped some jute round it. Bottle top clock, and then some storage boxes. A little house I made, and then some candlesticks, which are basically screws, and then a little plant pot. I'm really pleased with how that turned out. I've got some lovely papers and cards that I've used to make all these little boxes and the lampshades and stuff. Got it from the pound shop, I think about £2, something like that. It's all different lovely metallic papers. Here's my armchair. I've covered it, again, made out of cardboard, glued together and then covered with a scarf. And then just made the pillow out of felt, just glued that together and stuffed it with stuffing. The little side table is just some tops off some perfume bottles, all glued together. And then I have my Death on the Nile Agatha Christie book to sit and read there in the reading area. And I've got a little Monet picture behind. There's a little plastic, it's a lid, but it's now a little glass by the bed. So as I say, I just really love all the cute little touches that I've put in, and I hope you like it too.